Hello everyone, welcome back. So on today's vlog, I'll be doing my monthly subscription beauty box, Boxycharm. So I'll be trying on all the products that I got for this month. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first product. So here's the box that I got for this month, and when you open it, this is how it looks like. So all the product is there, and let's go ahead with start with the first item. So I'm gonna go ahead. I haven't put concealer yet, so the first product that we're gonna try on for today's video is this Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. This is how it looks like, and the retail price for this is $25. Okay, let's go ahead and start applying it to our under eye. I can't open it. I just put lotion on my hands and my hands is slippery. So guys, it's hard to open, so I do ask Dan to help me to open it, and he opened it with the little tools. What do you call it? It damaged a little bit, if you can see that. But anyways, let's go ahead and put it onto our under eye. So this is how it looks like. I like the wand. So this is how it looks like. Pretty one though. So let's swatch it how it looks like, guys. You can see. So that is the color. That is the color. And I'm gonna start blending it. So there you go. The concealer is like, actually it's much perfect to my skin tone, so definitely I'm gonna use it a lot. I'm excited about this one. So next is this Petite Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara, and the retail price for this is $16. So this is how it looks like, guys. So nice packaging. I love how they did the packaging for this mascara. Really pretty packaging. So when you open it, let's see the wand. Oh my god, I'm excited with the wand. The wand is so pretty. So this is how it looks like, very pretty. So let's go ahead and apply it to our eyelashes. So guys, done with the mascara. I love how I love how I apply mascara. It like so soft to apply it to your eyelashes, and it's not hard to apply it to your eyelashes. So let's move on to the next product that I got for this month. So this is the product, guys. So this is the product. It's a big product for this. This is the Skin&Co Roma Truffle Therapy Face Pomade. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna put the little clip that I try it onto my face. I love skincare, so I love Boxycharm. They put skincare on the box. So I love this one. It's a big packaging, and it is, how much is it? This is $28 for the big packaging. It's already like a price of the subscription box that you pay for monthly subscription box. So I'm excited to use this for my skincare routine. So this is really nice packaging, and it's a big bottle. So again guys, I'm gonna put the little clips that I try on all of these products. So next is this Dr. Brandt eye cream. I love this brand. I have like couple brand the same of this. I have like skincare that I have a couple of skincare the same brand of this Dr. Brandt. So I'm excited about this. I'm really excited about this. I love their brand. This Dr. Brandt brand is really nice product. So this is how it's look like guys, the bottle of the eye cream. So this is the eye cream. So when I try it on to my under eye last night, I'm so excited. It gives those cold feeling, and it's really soft after you apply it to your under eye. After you apply it in your under eye. So I'm excited about this. And then the last product that I'm gonna show you guys, this is the sleeping mask. I love sleeping mask. It's like the cream sleeping mask that you put in your face, and then you don't have to worry that you have to take it off and wash it, rinse it. This you don't have to worry after you put it in your face, and you don't have to worry after you put it in your face and you're done. You don't have to what do you call that? You don't have to rinse it. Since you put it in your face, you're done and you're good to go. So I like the box for this month because I got everything is like 4 product is skincare, the face exfoliating, eye cream, I love eye cream, and sleeping mask. So I'm excited to use all of this. So this month is my favorite because I got like 3 product for my skincare. So definitely gonna excited to use that. I'm excited to use all of these products. So I'm excited about the eye cream. I love eye cream, so I definitely gonna use it every night. And also the sleeping mask. I love this one too. And also this one, I'm excited to use it for my skincare routine every night. All of these items that I got for this month. So I'm ready to leave. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone.